Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to find private and hidden channels in Telegram. The best way to join a private channel is to ask the admin or a member who is already in the channel to send you an invite link. Private channels are closed, and without a link, you cannot access them. When you tap this link, Telegram will open and ask you to join the channel. This is the safest and most reliable method to access private content. Another method is to use Telegram search bots. For example, you can use the Searchy bot. First, tap on the search icon at the top of Telegram. Type Searchy bot in the search bar and tap on the chat to open it. Next, tap on Start. The bot will ask a few questions, like which language you prefer and the category of channels you want to search for. After you answer these questions, the bot will show a list of channels related to that category. You can then tap on any channel link to open it in Telegram and join if it is available. Remember that private and hidden channels are private for a reason. Always respect the privacy of the community and do not try to bypass protections. The safest and most recommended way to join a private channel is to ask for an invite link. Thanks for watching.